Turning your engine 9J719. It's running good. And the front engines looks good, as you can see, no damage. Compressor looks good. Altimeter look as well, as you can see. No damage. And on this side, engines look nice, no broken. Starter look as well, as you can see. Gearbox look nice, no damage. And on this side, engines looks good. Engines turbo, no damage. And on the top, as you can see, all connectors look nice. And on the bottom, no cracks, no leaks, no damage. And turning your engine 9J719.